Hello, freedom fighters! Welcome to my series where I show you how to use your Cricut to fight fascism. Let's make protest signs! The method we will use for this is gluing colored paper to poster board. Get some nice colored copy paper. Avoid construction paper as it will leave little fuzzies on your cutting mat and it's hard to clean off. Open Design Space and select the text button, then font. You can select the filter to filter for free fonts if you don't have the Cricut Access subscription. The key to protest signs is the font needs to be clean, bold, and easy to read. So pick your favorite and type out your message. I'm using separate lines because we can do a neat trick. Go to Advanced and click Ungroup by Lines, and bam! Each line is now its own object that you can resize and manipulate independently. Arrange your text as you see fit. I'm keeping it simple, but you can always add images. Just remember, don't pick anything too complicated to cut. This is an important aspect of Design Space. What you have on your screen is not necessarily how something will be cut. If you have two or more objects that you want to keep together in relation to each other, select them both and click Attach in the lower right corner. Now these two objects are married and will be treated as one in the eyes of the law and the cutting mat, so their spacing will be maintained. I'm going to change some colors here. Now obviously it's the color of the actual material that matters, but by selecting different colors in Design Space, you are telling the machine that these will be separate cuts. So once you click Make, you will see there are 3 separate mats for 3 separate colors. I'm going to change the size of these to 8.5 by 11 because that's the size of our paper. Use a light grip mat, feed it into the machine, and let it do its thing. When the machine is done cutting, I'm going to use a fun little hack. I'm going to use painter's tape, but you can use freezer tape or anything that isn't too sticky, and lightly tape over the parts that were cut. Then I'll use this scalpel tool to help lift the paper off the mat. Once that's done, get a glue stick and apply it to the back of the paper. Now stick it to the poster board just like you stick it to the man and gently remove the tape. Now remove the excess paper around the letters and pow! You have some perfectly spaced letters that you don't have to eyeball or measure. You can use this handy scraper tool to help press down the letters and get them to really stick to the poster board. You can do the same thing in a different order, remove the excess paper, then stick it to the poster board, whatever you feel like. It's still momentarily a free country. Finish up the rest of your message and you will be the envy of the protest with some next level signage.